It multiplied. Heh.
Hello, Technoblade.
Oh God, no, 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 no!
Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
I thought he couldn't make it.
I'm having to be quite quiet.
Not the
You're going-
600.
I'm being very loud on the train.
We thought he couldn't make it.
But he's on the
I
train
might
and
be
he's
on the.
here.
I'm on the train.
He's on the train.
He's here.
Oh God. He's playing on Mind
Where's the
Chat.
enemy? Guys, I'm on my laptop. Does anyone know where Techno is?
About 1,000
Does
blocks
anyone
out.
know?
I
Can you come to me, Techno?
TP you, but it's very
DP
dangerous.
me. I'm gonna get him.
You're gonna.
He's gonna get me.
Phil, listen to me. This is where I get him. TP me.
Oh
Yeah, I'm on
God.
it. I'm on it. I'm on it.
I've never had.
He's on Mind Chat. He's on actual Mind Chat. Wait, wolves, don't kill him.
He teleported and it was a bit too much bandwidth for him.
Wait, teleport him into the air. He won't fall.
Hold on, hold on. Oh,
Hello. I'm just on a stream, bud.
Tommyinnit has left the game.
Wait.
it was a bit too much.
The
You're going
bandwidth.
down, Technoblade.
It was
there
too
we go.
You're
high.
going down.
Oh,
He's in the sky.
Oh.
I put him in the sky. He's
Oh.
falling. He's falling.
He's falling.
Yeah.
all right. He's in the water now.
Where is he?
Let me get him out of the water.
He's not
Oh.
swimming. Oh, okay.
You were letting him drown.
He was just running.
Wait, he's not on Mind Chat. Run!
He's typing where's that? Oh, here he is.
Wait, he's actually at a computer. He's actually at a computer. We gotta get out of here.
Oh, he's creative mode flying.
Well, would
Oh.
you really call that flying? He's just kind of levitating right now,
Oh
not
yeah,
really moving.
he was creative mode flying.
Oh no.
Now he's frozen.
Oh no.
This internet must be so bad.
Oh no. The lag hunter, no.
How do you
He,
fight the
he
lag
should be
hunter?
here soon.
Any second. And he's
And
gone.
he's gone. All right, Tommy just texted me to tell Techno he's done for. So you're done for, according to this text. That
Oh,
I don't
no.
know how long it took to send.
Not the text sent 2 hours ago. Oh, this is easy. Oh my God, this is easy.
Oh.
No.
You're done for.
This is suddenly very difficult.
Just stopped. We've just stopped at a station, so now. Oh no, my connection. Oh, balls.
Come on, log on.
Guys,
Yeah.
is it leaking where I am?
All right,
Oh, we
Tommy,
We can
what are
barely
you?
hear it. We can barely hear it.
What are you talking about, Tommy?
There he is.
Where
Get him.
are you? Where
Right
are
there.
you, big
Yeah, I'm not
bitch?
here.
Wait, how did you not see him? You did a full 360.
I'm not here.
Wait, you.
It's just hitting.
He can't see
Wait,
me if I
yeah,
don't
he's all the way
move.
over there.
Oh,
Okay, I think he can see me.
Get him.
he's
I'm
on like
the big
300 ping.
boss.
He can't hit me
I'm the big boss.
if I change directions every 10 seconds.
He wants you to know that you're done for.
Oh!
he got a hit.
You got a hit, you got a
Actual
hit.
creative mode. Just gonna erase that chat history.